Approval is not usually the finish line when it comes to a product. There are people who watch medicines after they reach the patients. There are people who track the side effects and detect the problems early. And that's pharmacovigilance. My name is Dr. Eva Amoy. I'm a regulatory affairs pharmacist working in sub-Saharan Africa. Pharmacovigilance is a science of detecting adverse effects, assessing risks of the product, understanding the way it works, and preventing any side effects. It's how we learn what happens after the product has gone into the market and into the real world. So it's like a continuation of the clinical trials, because they are also collecting data from time to time. Because the data they're collecting are from real patients who have multiple conditions and are taking multiple drugs, this data is very important. I usually say that this data is assessing the safety of the product continuously, under different conditions. You might ask, who reports safety information? Anyone can report safety information, even you. Doctors can report safety information, pharmacists, nurses, anyone in the healthcare system, up and including yourself. If you're a patient, you can report. Most of the time, it's at the back of the product. You'll see contact for more information, right? Because if there's anything that happens, we want to know what happened, how it happened, and in the circumstances, so that we can have a solution for that. In many African countries, we face a lot of challenges as regards this reporting or pharmacovigilance. First, we face a lot of underreporting. You'll find that your family member has taken medicine, they got a side effect, they didn't report. They got something, they're like, I just stopped taking that medicine. So underreporting is such a big issue, and I think we should work on processes that improve reporting of these things. There is limited digital reporting systems. We find like many health authorities always saying, if you have an issue, an adverse effect, a product quality effect, please report to this. But not many people know this, right? So there's a lot of training that needs to go into pharmacists. There are a lot of training that needs to go into the general public of how to do this. Sometimes healthcare workers are too busy, right? Sometimes they don't know how to report this. Sometimes systems are user unfriendly. So you'll find that even if you go into the system, you're confused what to click, what to report, what to write. And even sometimes you don't even know if your report has gone through, right? So when safety signals are detected early, they can lead to label changes. So if you tell us that you had a side effect and maybe you had a certain condition, we can then know that our product, if taken, right, or a certain product, if taken in a certain condition, causes a certain side effect. So we could update our labels. We could know maybe that our usage is complicated. We know maybe that risk minimization efforts can be put into place to reduce the risks of other patients getting the side effect that one experienced. Or we could even recall a product batch where we realize that same batch is causing a lot of complaints, a lot of side effects. And this is all to ensure that we save their lives. So pharmacovigilance actually turns data into protection of the public. Pharmacovigilance is patient protection in action, and everyone is responsible for pharmacovigilance, because patients deserve medicines that are not only effective but safe.